Hey y'all, Tanny Cooks here, and today I'm going to show you how to make my easy pantry pasta salad. It is so luxurious and delicious, but so simple, and I call it my pantry pasta salad because you make it with mostly items that you have available in your pantry every day. But I do like to add some fresh ingredients like cucumber and red onion and these seasonings, so no salt, onion powder, garlic powder, black pepper, and oregano. And these are the items that I use from my pantry. So I use Rotini tricolor pasta, sweet corn, kidney beans, and sweet peas. The fresh items are cucumber and onion. So let's get to cooking. I open up my canned items, and the first thing I'm going to do is rinse them off. So these are the kidney beans that I am rinsing off, and you can see how it's kind of foaming. You just want to give it time under the water and shake your colander to get all of that canned liquid off of your beans before you put it in your bowl for your final pasta dish. And now that our beans are clean, we're going to gently strain the water out and add them to our bowl. Next up, we're going to add our next canned good, which will be our sweet corn. The sweet corn is no salt. I try to get canned goods with no added salt whenever possible. I haven't found beans with no salt added though. These are the sweet peas. And I'm gently turning them over to get them rinsed off as well. Even the colors are vibrant for these canned goods. And now I'm adding them to my kidney beans. Now you can use other items besides these three vegetables. I'm adding a cucumber. You certainly can leave out the cucumber and red onion, but I decided to slice them up and add them into my salad. And what I'm doing is I'm adding Italian dressing. You could use Greek dressing or even make your own vinaigrette. And I like to soak my vegetables in my vinaigrette for an hour or two before I add my pasta, just to make sure our vegetables are sufficiently flavored with our vinaigrette as a seasoning. I'm also adding garlic powder, onion powder, I'm using no sodium added product, but you could add salt if you prefer, black pepper, and oregano. So if you watch my other videos, you know that I like to season my food at every level that I am preparing it. So we're going to season these vegetables that are in the vinaigrette, and then we're also going to season our pasta, the Rotini pasta, when we make it, so that the final dish has sufficient seasoning. So I'm adding water to boil my pasta. Once your water comes to a boil, add your pasta, and now I'm adding seasoning. So I'm adding garlic powder, onion powder, and if you use salt, you may want to skip salt in one of the levels just so the final product isn't too salty for you, but I'm using no salt, so I'm adding some of that here. It will help the boiling water that is seasoned to be absorbed into the pasta and add flavoring to the final dish. So at minimum, you want to add salt to your boiling pasta. So now I am straining my pasta, and I had cold water running in the background as I poured my warm pasta water in the sink. I let it cool down a little bit on the stove. And so now I'm adding garlic powder and onion powder. I'm not adding salt at this level. I'm adding no salt. So now that my pasta is strained, it's time to add it to my vinaigrette and vegetables and give it a gentle toss. I'm using a wooden spoon here. I don't know, somehow using a wooden spoon with salads just seems more earthy. I don't know why I do that, but I do it often. Leave me a note in the comments, let me know if you use wooden spoons. And so to prepare the final dish for presentation, I like to add some dried parsley. You can also chop up fresh parsley, but there you have it, our delicious and easy pantry pasta salad. There are different ways to make this, and I'll definitely show you more ways on this channel. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe.